everyone, today I'm starting a project at my home. That's why I'm in normal clothes, not workshop clothes. And today I will start making a fitter ring, and I suppose this episode will be only about this fitter ring because it will take a lot of time, a lot of cutting, a lot of gluing, cleaning and sanding and everything what you can imagine on it. And for this fitter ring I prepared two pairs of boards. Here I have two boards of maple, not maple, beechwood, and one wenge, one with maple and one with black oak. I will take them to the home, glue with them because here is too cold, and glue will gonna make will gonna be white and will be very visible on darker places, on darker wood. So I will do it this at home. After that, maybe you will see here I have a line. It will be 35 degrees angle, and with this angle I will cut this on the, I don't know, maybe table saw, maybe bend saw. I will see, just slice it them, and from these slices I will try to make a design, something pattern like a Indian blanket, and I hope it will work. I don't know how it finally it will be looking. This I will figure out later, when I will see how many pieces I gonna get from these two boards. So if you are interested as I am, please stay with me and watch this video. And I'm back. I decided to use a bend saw because I will get a more pieces than on table saw. I know I will have to sand all pieces on each side. It will take time, but I will get more pieces. I cut it two thin boards to straight up and check how it cut. Is it straight? Is it not? And I will set them some like that. I hope I will get some wood on the edges. That's why I glued those beechwood boards to cut it, to straighten it, and I hope it will work. For now, if I will line them together, here I have a bit of material on the outside and segments will be this size, so it's not so small, it's not so big. I think it will be perfect. So my table saw is ready, sleds are ready. I will cut 6 millimeters pieces very slowly, every piece separately, and clean it up everything from the dust to get the same height and a good angle. So I think it will work. So let's start it. Almost a bit on the corner. I had a lack of beechwood, but work it. I hope I will use it this later. I will leave it on the end. Maybe I will not need it. Okay. I will show you something. Please wait. Those are all scraps which has left. This one maybe not. Maybe I will use them for something. And here I have all pieces. Every piece is here. So as you see, looks very nice. It's 46, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51 pieces. So I think this one will not be needed. I have 50 pieces, so now I have to create a ring segments for ring for it from it, and I hope it will work. Of course I have to sand all pieces before I glue them together and figure out what pattern I should to use. But as you see, this is the same type of wood, but this is more yellow, this is more gray. And I will have to figure out something with it, but for now it's very nice. 12 segments like this one. I change pattern on the wood a bit because previous one was not so spectacular as I thought, so I changed this a bit. It looks like that. Now I prepared a table saw to cut squared pieces like that. I will just cut off those corners. Maybe I will do something with it, but I need this straight with the same length. Then I create something triangles, the segments to put between them, and I suppose it will be the best idea I have for now, but we will see how it will be looking on the end. Now let's start cutting. Okay, segments are ready. Time to make spacers distances between the segments with the angled pieces. So I prepared two boards, two sandwiches with from beechwood and black oak, the leftover last pieces of black oak I have, and one is cutted because I wanted to measure it this properly. Of course I made a testing cut to fit everything to keep the same size and keep the good size, of course. So let's start cutting. I need a 12 spacer, so I suppose there will be enough wood. And here I have a ready ring. I straightened up both sides, prepared for gluing another two rings, which I will create from maple and alder wood, and with a wenge distancers, small distancers like this one. I have the second ring here, but at first I will make one, then second one. I will glue them right now as they are, and I will transport this onto the ring, squeeze it as much as possible it will be to keep it straight. Then I will take it off the metal band, and I hope it will work. I know the linings are not perfect with the ring I have there, but I hope I will try to keep it as much as possible. I will gluing the only distancers, because this is the part which will keep the rings together, pieces together. And the ring is ready, all parts are together, and now it's time to clean it. I will clean it a bit on the outside and inside, then I will flip it and clean the rest of the ring and straight as should be. Especially one side must be straight to glue it to the bowl, which I will make later. But at first, let's see how the ring is looking. And here is the final ring ready to glue up to the bowl. This is the cleaned side of the ring. I will glue to the bowl, and from the leftovers of the from this ring I made something like that. It's a circle, and I will insert this circle inside of the bottom of the bowl, and it will be much interesting pattern design for this bowl. But at first I have to make this bowl, so I'm going to the table saw, cut segments from these thin boards of beechwood, and from the one bigger bowl board to make a bottom. But it will be in the next episode, and so please watch the next video, my video. I will try to share this video as soon as possible, if I will have a time, because lately I don't have a time at all for nothing. So please watch the next video and take care of yourself.